we're going to do an art activity together. Are you all curious on what it's going to be? Have you seen a snowflake? It is usually a decor that our parents use for Christmas. The fun part is, we will try to create our own snowflake. But what are the materials that we will be needing? First, we need one piece of paper plate, cotton buds, glue, a pair of scissors, cotton balls, pencil, 2 colored paper, and lastly, yarn and puncher. For the first step, we will be cutting our paper plate to form a circle. But first, let's put a mark. This is the part that I'm talking about. Let's get our scissors. Slowly cut it and ask help if needed. Okay, this is how it should look like. Next is, we will be needing our blue colored paper. This will be used to cover our paper plate and serve as a base of our snowflake. Now, place the paper plate on top of the blue colored paper, then get your pencil and trace it. We will be doing this process 2 times to cover the front and back of the plate. After tracing, get your scissor and cut it slowly. Now that we are done cutting, we will cover the paper plate. Get the first blue circle and paste it to cover the part of the plate that is facing you. After that, get the next circle and cover the other part of the plate. After that, get 1 piece cotton ball and paste it on the center of the paper plate or the base. Once it's done, get 8 pieces of cotton buds. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 cotton buds. And we're going to paste it on the top and bottom part. Next is add to the left and right. Add more in between. So you're going to put a glue. make it look more like a snowflake, we will be adding more details. In this part, we will still be needing cotton buds. Get another 8 pieces of cotton buds. Then, we will cut it in half, one by one. Be careful cutting the cotton buds. Okay kids, we are almost done. If you are done cutting the tips of the cotton buds, paste it on the both sides of each cotton buds like this. Okay, just repeat the process. Put a small amount of glue. Do we have the same snowflake? Very good. So now, down to the last step, get the puncher and use it to make a hole. Now, let's make a hole using puncher. Be careful, you ask for help if needed. Get a piece of yarn and then put it inside the hole to make it easier for us to hang our snowflake. This is my finished product. Did you have fun? Because Teacher Chelsea enjoyed making a snowflake with you. So, advance Merry